Lee-Com Park. First pitch from Chang is a fastball tugged down and away. Breeze and sunny. 1-0. And fastball low and out and nothing in so far. 2-0. And that's on the inside corner, called strike. Righty Chang set and delivers 2-1. Swinging a pop foul behind. 2-2. Swinging a foul 2. Performance from him. 2-2. Swing and a miss. Strike 3. And Chang wins the battle in white letters. First pitch is out. Heavily down from left to right. 1-0. Swinging a line drive at the first baseman, Plaz, who jumps up and snares it out of the air. One gone in the inning. Right-handed hitting center fielder, first pitch. And he takes down. He'll be 23 in October. 1-0. And fast. The pitch. Wave the miss on a slider. It's 2-1. 2-1. Swing and a miss. Lee-Com Park. And the pitch. And that's just low. Miss with the changeup. And the count's full. 3-2. Swinging a fly ball. Struck well. Once more the 3-2. Swinging a pop-up behind him. Catching. Here's a 3-2. Check swing. Ball the dirt. Gets away from Alfonso for a second. Now has it and throws to first. Completes the strikeout for a 1-2-3. Top of the as righty Hung Long Chang's first pitch. Is a fastball on the outside, black call. And the 0-1. Swinging a fly ball, struck well, right center field. Campagna backing up, racing towards the warning track on the run. Can't make the catch. It ricochets out of it. Tobin digs for third. He's in, standing up. And the Blue Jays are in business to start here in the second inning. Beltre with the corners in. First pitch is fly in the air to left center field. Rodriguez shades over, but it's Campagna who has it sized up in shallow center. Now throws home. Tolman's coming, and they got him. Double play. Campagna. Second inning, as now Edward Duran, the catcher, watches the fastball run down and away. 1-0. Wave and a miss, and a pitch down in the zone. And a 1-ball-1-strike pitch is a breaking ball roll. 1-2. Swinging a fly ball. Hit high in the air, deep left. Playable Rodriguez. And left, battling the wind. Now comes in and can't make the catch. Throwing to second base as Duran is in. It's been a tricky win today. It's been moving patterns. Lefty Feliz, first pitch. He takes out 1-0. Swinging a ball struck well deep to right field. McGuire plays it off the wall, but he doesn't have a chance. It's over. A home run just sneaks over the wall towards the boardwalk. And Feliz has a 2-run home run. It's Blue Jays 2, Marauders nothing in the second. Now Feliz has his 7th home run of the season. RBI's number 6. Second baseman. Bring pitch fastball at the knees, called strike. And the 0-1 just misses low. It's and the 1-1. Off-speed pitch, Kakin with now 7. 1-2. And breaking ball misses in tight. 2-2. 2-2. Fastball ripped out and missed for strike 3. 94 from Hung Long Chang. He's got his 3rd strikeout of the day, but not before 2 runs on a home run from Christian Feliz. As the righty Hung Long Chang. First pitch is a fastball in the outer half call. And the 0-1. Swing and a miss. Slider down. Chang's 0-2. And that's low for 1-2. Swing a line drive, back up the middle. It's through on the right center field. Base hit for Perez. Throw comes back in for him. First pitch to Gene Joseph is a check swing called strike of the knees. Start the ball game, and so then Chang followed. 0-1. Breaking ball rolled over foul. A lineup that had a couple rehabbers as well. The 0-2. And down and away, it's 1-2. Chang shakes off, and now late time call. Throw to first, though. And nearly got him over there, but had a look. The pitch. Check swing. Now a snap back throw to first, and it's late, a bit high. 2-2. Slaughter. Sharp big ground ball. Diving stop by Delgado. The second for 1. Turn to first. They turn 2. And left against the right-hander Chang. First pitch, and he swings at a ball in the dirt for strike. And the 0-1. And breaking ball's out. And Chang's 1-1. Swinging a fly ball, hit well to center. Campagna has it sized up right at him in straightaway center. And that's the inning. Johanhel Aponte digs in the right side. First pitch. And a fastball. The 0-1. And breaking ball inside. The 1-1. And a breaking ball. Called strike on the inside corner. It's really just been this big second inning today. 1-2. And that just misses. Righty sets in the pitch. Fastball line back up the middle to center field, base hit. Rolls to Campagna. That's the 5th hit for Dunedin today. Gatto just left the bag at second. And first pitch is rolled. Ball of the year in the major leagues. And Chang spins and fires to first in a bang-bang play up at PNC Park. 0-1, and that's lined the opposite way to left field. Rodriguez came in, trying to play in a hop as he dove, was in between and kicks away. Aponte holds up at third as Tolman ends up at second base. And so will be second and third, no. Righty batter, first pitch, and that's in the dirt. Sneaks away from Alfonso a few feet. And the 1-ball offering. Slider struck to center field, dropping in fast, and it's in front of Campagna, base hit. That scores Aponte from third. First and third, nobody out, 1 run in. And first pitch to Duran is scorched out towards right center field. It splits the outfielders and rolls towards the edge of the warning track. That scores 1. Duran to second base with a double. And it's 4-0 Blue Jays in the 4th. Second digs in. Lefty hitter, first pitch as he rips it back to the screen for strike. 0-1. And just misses inside with the Slaughter. 1 ball, 1 strike, the pitch. And fastball runs inside 2-1. 2-1. Swinging a fly ball in the Pirates. 2-2. Swinging a broken bat. Weak line drive out towards shortstop. And Delgado has it. Here's the pitch to Arnold. And fastball down and in for ball. And 58 pitches right now. Been really efficient so far today. Yeah, 1-0-17. And the 1-1. Fastball runs out 3. And the 2-1. And a breaking ball. Strikes. And the pitch. And that just misses down and in. 3-2 out. And 2 runners in scoring position. 3-2. Check swing. They peel. He did go around, said Richie Arendano. So bases are loaded up for Daniel Perez after a walk here. And the pitch. Breaking ball high for ball. 0 Blue Jays. The 1-0. And fastballs. And the 2-0 is deep breath. 2-1. And a wave but a miss. 2-2. And that's down and in for Major League Arms going. 3-2. Wave and a miss for strike 3, and Chang strikes him out. 4th punch out today, and a big second out here in the 4th inning. Opening pitch. There's a breaking ball whiffed out, a miss for strike 1. The 0-1, and breaking ball fouled on looking. 0-2, breaking ball high and in. 1-2, swinging a foul back. And the 1-2. Swinging a fly ball, hit down the left field line. Rodriguez over towards the line and has it in medium depth left field for the 3rd out of the inning.